Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamun Popsicles. First, gather your fresh jamuns, sugar, and a touch of black salt. These simple ingredients are all you need to create a refreshing and flavorful treat. Ensure your jamuns are ripe for the best taste. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable, so let's get started on this delicious journey. Now, let's prepare our main ingredient. Begin by washing the jamuns very well to ensure they are clean. The next crucial step is to carefully remove the large seeds from each jamun. This can be done by gently squeezing the fruit or using a small knife. Once deseeded, transfer all the vibrant purple pulp into your blender, ready for the next stage. With the jamun pulp in the blender, it's time to add the remaining ingredients. Incorporate the 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, and 1/4 cup of water. Blend everything until you achieve a perfectly smooth consistency. Once blended, carefully pour the mixture into your chosen popsicle molds. Place them in the freezer for at least 6 hours or until they are completely solid. After patiently waiting, your delicious Jamun Popsicles are ready. To easily remove them from their molds, simply run the outside of the mold under warm water for a few seconds. This helps to loosen them up without melting the popsicle itself. Serve these refreshing treats right away and enjoy the unique sweet and tangy flavor. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. They're perfect for a hot day or anytime you crave a fruity, homemade dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.